Imagine opening a book filled with bright illustrations and magical words, and realizing you created it for absolutely free. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple idea in your head into a fully illustrated children's storybook using powerful AI tools that cost nothing. Whether you dream of inspiring young readers, selling your own books, or just creating something unforgettable for your family, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your very first storybook come alive. Alright, let's bring that vision to life. The tool we'll use is Google Gemini. It's completely free and works right in your browser. Think of it as a creative partner. You give it a simple idea, and it helps you write the story, design the illustrations, and pull everything together into a beautiful book. First, open your browser and search for Google Gemini. Click on the first result with the familiar Google logo. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main Gemini interface. Here's where the magic begins. You'll see a clean, simple workspace ready for your story ideas. Look to the top right corner of the page. See that small drop-down menu under the Gemini logo? Click it and choose Google Gemini 2.5 Flash. It's the very first option, and it's designed for fast, all-around help, which is perfect for our storybook project. Next, move your eyes to the three little horizontal lines on the left side of the screen. Those are your menu controls. Give them a click. A panel slides open with a list of Gemini features. If you already see Storybook in the list, great, just tap it. Don't see it yet? No problem. Click those same three lines again and choose Explore Gems. Here, Gemini reveals all the creative tools hiding behind the scenes. Scroll down until you find Storybook. You'll also spot a lot of other fun options you can try later. But for now, we're heading straight to Storybook. I'll go back to my main menu and click Storybook to open our workspace. Now you're on the page where the real fun begins. In the big box that says Ask Gemini, you can type anything you like. This is where you give Gemini the blueprint for your story. If you have an idea already, paste it in. If you're starting from scratch, just write a simple description of the adventure you want. Here's my example. Write a super engaging and exciting adventure story about Lena Rivers, a brave girl with curly black hair and bright brown eyes who loves solving mysteries. And here's a key tip. After your prompt, add a line that says, "Story written by Creative Jane." That little detail tells Gemini to place your name as the author on the very first cover page. A professional touch you'll love. When your prompt looks good, click the arrow button on the right to start generating. Give it a few seconds. Gemini is quick, but a short pause is normal. Take a breath and watch the magic happen. And voila! Gemini instantly creates a complete children's storybook. Right away, you'll see a colorful cover page with a title and your author name front and center. Scroll down and notice how each page isn't just text. Every single page has its own custom illustration, making the story vibrant, fun, and totally captivating for kids and parents alike. This is what makes Gemini's storybook feature so special. Words and pictures come alive together. Now let's actually listen to our story. Watch this. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see a little icon that says, "Listen." Go ahead and tap it.
Lena Rivers and the Clock Tower Mystery. Lena Rivers was a girl who saw the world as one big mystery waiting to be solved. Her town, with its winding streets and peculiar shops, was her favorite place to look for clues. But the biggest puzzle of all was the old clock tower in the town square.
Isn't that amazing? The story is read aloud in a clear, natural voice, almost like a professional audiobook. But here's the best part. You don't have to settle for a short prompt if you already have a complete story of your own. Maybe you've written a full children's book, a mystery, or a personal adventure. You can paste your entire story right into this space instead of just giving a short description. Gemini will create the book exactly the way you wrote it, with illustrations on every page and your name right there on the cover. And see that tiny drop-down menu next to the Listen button? That's where you can choose the voice style you love. You can switch between a higher-pitched voice that sounds bright and playful or a lower, soothing voice for a calm bedtime feel. Just pick what fits your story's vibe and hit play again. It's that simple, and it makes your story feel alive. After you've finished listening and you're happy with your story, there are 2 easy ways to save it. 1. Copy the link. Tap the share button on the top right corner. Select Copy Link. Now you can send that link to anyone, friends, family, or readers, so they can open and enjoy your story right away. 2. Print a hard copy. If you're on a mobile phone, the print icon might not show at first. Here's the trick. Open your browser's menu, those 3 dots on the top right. Tap Desktop Site or Request Desktop Mode. The page will refresh and look just like it does on a computer, and now you'll see a printer icon at the top. Before you tap Print, be sure your phone is connected to a printer either by Wi-Fi or cable. Then hit the printer icon, and you can create a beautiful hard copy of your story. If you'd like to go beyond printing and actually publish it online, there are plenty of places you can do it for free. You could start with Wattpad. It's super popular for kids' stories and short fiction, and readers can discover you right away. Another easy one is Medium. No complicated setup, you just create an account and post your story. If you're into fiction with a bigger audience, Inkit or Royal Road are perfect for adventure and fantasy lovers. And of course, if you dream of selling your book, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP is amazing. You don't need a big publisher. Upload your story, set your own price, and when someone buys, you earn royalties. Pretty cool, right? There are others like Readsy or StoryMirror, but honestly, you can start with just 1 or 2 of these, and you're good to go. The important thing is, your story doesn't have to stay hidden. You can put it out there and let readers all over the world enjoy it. And that's it. You now know exactly how to turn your idea into a fully illustrated children's book. Write it, design it, even share it with the world. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what kind of story you're excited to create next. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and turn on the notification bell so you'll know the moment I drop another tutorial. I've also linked a playlist full of tips and tutorials to help you grow and run your Faceless channel. Check it out next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.